from A. Lenny Locksmith. We're going to be doing a Ford F-250. I was actually programming a key for with the FDRS, but we're going to do a small little short video on where the remote slot is, and you got some uses for that, which I'll go over at the end, but I'll show you the location now. So you know the slot's right there inside the cup holder. You got to remove that little thing, put the key in there. Okay, now some uses for that slot. Now, God forbid the battery on your remote dies, you could put it in that slot and start the car. Okay, naturally with the programming, when I was doing the Ford F150, I think it was a 22 or 23, you got to put that, the remote in the slot to program it. But the main use is, God forbid, the batteries in your remote die. You could put it in there and still start the car so you're not stranded. Take care.